Good day everyone. Today we will be discussing about social stratification. Social strat-
Social stratification. It refers to the practical application of sociological theories to understand, intervene in, or mitigate structure inequalities regarding resource, power, and prestige within society. Meaning daw po ng social stratification, ang social ng status ng tao ay nahahati into different level based sa wealth, power, and occupation. It's involved daw po ang paggamit ng mga sociological theories para maintindihan ang mga inequalities and para mabawasan ito. Other meanings of social stratification. First one, by Raymond W. Morey. Social stratification, a horizontal division of society into higher and lower social units. Ayon daw po kay Raymond W. Morey, ang social stratification ay paghati sa society into higher and lower social groups. Ibig sabihin po, may mga taong mas mataas ang status kisa sa iba. Nahati po itong mayaman at mahirap. Second is by Surokin. Social stratification means the differentiation of a given population into hierarchically superimposed classes. It is manifested in the existence of upper and lower social layers. Base naman daw po kay Surokin, ang society is nahati into hierarchy o levels. May upper and lower class na makikita sa lipunan. Third one is by Gisbert. Social stratification is a division of society into permanent groups or categories linked with each other by the relationship of superiority and subordination. Meaning daw po is categories that is linked to each other like relationship of superiority and subordination. Ang meaning daw po is superiority is, example po, is boss and the subordination is the worker. 4. By John F. Cooper and William F. Kinkel. A pattern of superimposed status of a person or a group person in a society with the result that there is come to exist people high or low, superior or inferior. Base naman daw po sinabi ni John at William, may pattern ng status sa society kung saan may mga taong mataas o mababa ang tingin sa lipunan. Number 5. By Kurt B. Meyer. A system of differentiation which a hierarchy of social position whose occupants are treated as superior, equal, or inferior related to one another in social importance aspect. Sabi naman daw po ni Kurt B. Meyer, may hierarchy of social position kung saan ang mga tao ay tinuturing superior, equal, or inferior. Means po, may taong may nakakataas o may tao din na pantay po ang pagtingin nila o may taong na mas may bababa pa sila. Depende po sa social status ng isang tao o isang grupo. Number 6. Ogburn and Nikop. The process by which individuals and groups are ranked in more or less enduring hierarchy of status is known as stratification. Para sa kanila, ang social status ay proseso ng pagrarank ng mga tao or group ng tao base sa kanilang social status. Yan daw po ang ibig sabihin ng social stratification by Ogburn and Nikop. 7. Melvin M. Tumin. It refers to the arrangement of any social groups or society into hierarchy of position that are unequal with regard to power, property, social evaluation, physical gratification. Meaning man daw po na sinabi ni Melvin M. Tumin, ang society ay nakaayos sa hierarchy nagdidepende po ang social status ng tao based sa power, property at social value ng isang tao. 8 is by Lundberg. A stratified society is one marked by inequality by difference among people that are evaluated by them as being lower and higher. Social stratification naman daw po, base kay Lundberg, is a society is divided into groups where some people are seen as higher or nakakataas, and ang others naman is nakikita as nakakababa because difference in wealth, power, education, or status. 9. By Davis, social stratification has come into being due to the functional necessity of social system. Ayon naman daw po kay Davis, the social stratification exists because society needs different people to do different job. Important job often receive higher pay and higher status. The last one, by Karl Marx. Social factors are responsible for the emergence of different social stratification or meaning naman daw po. Sabi daw po ni Karl Marx, ang social stratification is about sa pagkakaiba ng yaman at kalagayan ng mga tao sa lipunan. Nakatuon siya sa konflikt ng mayayaman at mahihirap. Ang meaning daw po ay halimbawa daw po is mas sumayaman ang mga factory owner habang ang mababa naman ang sahod ng mga workers, kaya nagkakaroon ng inequality sa social classes.
Two major state system. 1. Landed, gentry or nobility. 2. Ang dalawang major group, landed gentry or nobility, ang mga mayayaman. Sila yung mga big boss pag-aari nilang napakalawak na lupain. Nakatira sila sa mga mansyon. Hindi lang sila basta mayaman, sila rin ang madalas na nagpapatakbo ng batas o mga leader na kanilang lugar. Sila ang may kontrol at kapangyarihan. Number 2, serfs had more freedom than slave but to typically live in property and were subject arbitrary control by the nobility. Ibig sabihin na ang mga taong malaya ay talo pa ng mga taong alipin dahil sa property or yung tinatawag nilang kahirapan na usually nararanasan ng ating bansa.
The last one, slavery. A system where people are treated as property and forced to work without pay. The ownership of people, which has been quite common in human history. Example, during the transatlantic slave trade, many Africans were enslaved and forced to work on plantation in the Americans. Transatlantic slave daw po nangyari in 16th century to the 19th century, where Africans brought to the Americans to force to work on plantations such as sugar, cotton, and tobacco. Pinabibili ang mga African sa American para maging alipin. Kaya po, grabe ang racism na nangyayari sa mga Africans dahil po sa pagtrato ng mga Americans during 16th century to 19th century.
Process of stratification. Wealth, ownership of money, property, and resources. When we say wealth, ito yung mga bagay or pinagkukuhanan nila ng kanilang income. Power, the ability to influence or control others. Ito ay about tungkol sa kakayahan ng isang tao na kontrolin ang iba at makabigbigay ng impluwensya. prestige, social respect or recognition given to individuals. Education, level of knowledge and skill that affects opportunities. So, when we say dito sa education, ito ay tumutukoy sa level. For example, we are college graduate and then merong high school graduate, elementary graduates. So, dun natutukoy ang education level. So, sa occupation, type of job that influences income and social status.
Good day, everyone. Our next is about characteristic of social stratification. First is social stratification is universal. Social stratification exists in all societies from simple tribal communities to modern industrial nation, while the basis of inequality may differ, for example, age, gender, wealth. No society is completely free from social ranking. This shows that inequality is a common feature of human social organization. This means that social stratification exists in all societies around the world. Sa bawat community, may mga taong mas mayaman, mas makapangyarihan o mas pataas ang status kaysa sa iba. Kahit magkakaiba ang culture o bansa, hindi mawala ang social ranking sa society. Second, stratification is social. Stratification is not based purely on natural or biological differences. It is created and maintained through social norms, values, and institutions. Society determines what is considered valuable. For example, money, education, occupation, and individuals are ranked accordingly. So, ibig sabihin, ang social stratification ay ginagawa at napapanatili ng society through social norms, values, and institution. Ang mga tao ay ni-rank based sa education, occupation, income, at social status. Dahil dito, may mga taong mas maraming opportunities at privilege kaya sa iba. Next is it is ancient. Social inequality has existed throughout history. Early civilizations such as those in Mesopotamia and Egypt already had clear division, including rulers, priests, workers, and slaves. This indicates that stratification has long been part of human societies. Social inequality has existed since ancient times. Noon pa man may mga rules, priests, workers, at slaves na this show that stratification has long been part of human society and history. And next is it is diverse forms. Stratification appears in different systems depending on the society. This includes slavery, ownership of people, caste system, rigid hereditary status, state system, feudal societies, and class system. Based on economic position, each system has its own rules for mobility and social interaction. Ang social stratification ay may iba't ibang anyo depende sa society. For example ay slavery, caste system, state system, at class system. Kahit magkakaiba ang mga ito, pare-pareho silang naghahati ng tao sa iba't ibang social levels. And lastly, social stratification is consequential. Stratification has significant effects on people's lives, especially in terms of life chance, the opportunities individuals have to improve their quality of life. Those in higher social classes typically have better access to education, healthcare, and employment. So this means that it has a by effect on people's lives. Ang mga nasa mataas na social class ay usually may better access na sa education, healthcare, trabaho, at opportunities. Samantalang ang mga nasa mababang social class ay mas makakaranas ng kahirapan at limitadong opportunities sa buhay.
Next is impact of social stratification on our life. Health sector. People from higher social classes tend to have a better access to healthcare service, nutritious food, and safe living environments. In contrast, lower income groups may experience poor health due to limited access to medical care and higher exposure to risk. People in higher social classes usually have a better healthcare, healthy food, and safer living condition, while poorer people may have limited medical access. Second, education. Education is often unequal because wealthier families can afford better school, learning materials, and opportunities. This creates a cycle where the rich remain advantaged while the poor struggle to improve their status. Ang sabi daw po dito is education, wealthier families or mayaman have a better access in school, learning materials, and more opportunities compared to lower income families. Bounds individual action. Social classes can limit a person's choice and opportunities. For example, individuals from lower classes may not have the same career option or freedom as those higher classes due to financial constraint. Ang sabi, bound individual action. Ang meaning daw po nito, dahil sa social class ng isang tao nalilimitahan ang kanilang choices in life like career, opportunities, and freedoms because of their financial problems. Specification of social rules. Stratification assign rules and expectations to individuals based on their social position. For instance, professionals are expected to perform skilled work while lower class individuals may be limited to manual labor. Society often expects us what we will perform in our work based on our social class, such as professional job are for the rich and manual labor are from the poor. Societal laws. Although laws are meant to be equal, in reality some laws and policies may favor the wealthy or powerful. They can reinforce inequality and make difficult for lower class individuals to seek justice. Meaning daw po nito is societal law. Some laws are favor for the wealthy families or powerful groups, making the inequality stronger. The last one, whom will live or die. Access to basic needs such as food, clean water, and healthcare can determine survival. In extreme cases, societal inequality can lead to life and death situation, especially during crises like pandemics or natural disaster. Ang meaning daw po nito is access to food, water, and shelter and healthcare can affect survival, especially during disasters or health crisis because people have limited access to food, water, shelter, and healthcare, while rich family have unlimited or they have enough money or power to buy water, shelter, and healthcare to afford to survive in disaster or health crisis.